You're probably gonna think that this is fake, but this is a UGC made using only AI. And no, this is not illegal, I promise. And I'm gonna show you how you can make this using a tool called Arcads. Crazy, I know. So as always, let's sit down and let me show you. There will be 3 steps which you have to follow. So stick with me because you're gonna learn a lot of stuff. Step number 1, script writing. So how we're gonna make a viral script, a script that works. We're gonna remodel scripts that already work. I call that copycat innovation method. So what is a good performing ad? It's a TikTok video with good engagement. Also comments matter, and most importantly we're gonna focus on hooks. So go to TikTok, create an account, a new account, a fresh account, and go to the search bar and search free shipping or any other keyword that might be related to that. Then start scrolling on the results and leave a like and a comment on every single video. Then you go back to your For You page, you refresh it and you start scrolling. If you don't see any organic ads, then restart the app or your whole phone, do the same thing again and test it out again. And congrats, you just manipulated the TikTok algorithm. If it has a good hook, good engagement, it is a winner ad, so you can remodel that. And you do that by either watching the video, understanding it, and just writing something similar to that. Or you can use ChatGPT, but use a prompt that is a bit more customized, so you can get better results. Step numero 2, the UGC paid actor. Like I told you, we're gonna use Arcads. Link will be in the description. So we sign up for free. You just answer some questions first about the product you're gonna sell. You can see there are folders if you wanna use them, and there you paste your script. But down here you can see templates which can help you create a script for you. And on the right you see add actors. Click on that, and there you can choose your actor from a bunch of actors. And of course, depending on the niche and your ad, you can choose an actor that fits your demographic. If it is an ad for older people, you will choose an older person. If it is an ad for women, you're gonna choose a younger female, and the high definition ones are the better ones. So choose the ones you wanna use and preview the narration of each avatar before generating the video, because you gotta make sure that they are pronouncing everything right. And of course, in the voice settings, you can choose a different voice for your avatar. So after you've done all that, let's click on generate videos. So let me show you a small preview now.
My old car didn't have a screen until I got this. It's called Drive Easy. You just stick it wherever works for you. No tools necessary.
So if you're happy with the results, download the videos and we move on. Step number 3, mix and master. As always, we're gonna use CapCut because it's free. So we're just gonna slap the videos on CapCut, and it's a very simple and fast process, to be honest. We do the cuts. After doing all the necessary cuts, we add captions. We have 2 options: make them look more native to the TikTok app, or you can customize them and make them more unique. Usually I recommend the second one, but for ads it is usually better to do the first one. So make them look more native by choosing the correct font, which is this one by the way, and also adding a stroke, and you don't have to use a caption effect. But I know that captivating captions can also work, because you differentiate yourself. So if it is a generic video and you kinda copied the script, maybe make more unique captions, which are more eye-catching. Then add some B-roll footage, because we don't want to show the AI actor all the time. We want to keep our viewers engaged and awake, so make cuts and add different B-roll footage every 2 seconds or so. And add a title. Again, you can make it like TikTok, or make it more unique. It is completely up to you. It's mostly aesthetic preference. And you're basically done. It's very simple. And again, check out Arcads in the description below, and I cover more of this stuff in my manifesto. So if you're interested, just saying, a selfless promo here, it's link in the description. And let's see the results.
My old car didn't have a screen until I got this. It's called Drive Easy. You just stick it wherever works for you. No tools necessary. Then you just plug it into the cigarette lighter. That's literally it. It connects to my phone instantly with Bluetooth, and now I have everything. Maps, my music, even my messages. And yes, there is Spotify. The screen is super clear and responsive. If you're like me and your car didn't come with the tech, this is the best upgrade.
And if you want to watch more, you can do that here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. See you over there.